I have your help, please? Oh, cool. That's cool. Look how I made my background.
Ooh.
Gang, hacker gang, what's good? Make sure y'all can hear me. Oh, wait a minute. All right. La, 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 la. Can y'all hear me? Let me know if y'all can hear me. Input capture, snowball. And there we go. Y'all should be able to hear me now. There we go. All right. So, gang, hacker gang, what's good? All right, we are back, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding some monetization to the clone we made. So this is what's going on here? All right, cool. So, if y'all remember from yesterday, if you were on the stream yesterday, I have a client, who's also a friend first. He needed a Microbin clone created. So, use this as an opportunity to get back, do some more live streaming, and then as well make another monetized app to add to my app portfolio. So, yesterday, we went ahead and made the foundation. And, hold on one second. Someone set my audio. No, audio sounds good. All right, my bad, y'all. So we laid the foundation for it. Generates the link. It uses a Laravel backend with the Vue front end. And what we're going to do now is add Laravel Cashier to it so that we can charge for premium features. But while I'm pulling this up, what's been going on with y'all? Anybody, is Coachella going on right now? I think it's going on right now. I can't remember. But if it is going on right now, or if it isn't and it's coming up and you plan on going, let me know. Drop it down in the comment. And who's your favorite person at the lineup that you're looking forward to? And then let's see. All right, let's go ahead and run this. So we're going to set up the cell integration, get that running. All right, so we're gonna get the Docker instance up and running. Boom, boom, boom. Go ahead and set my window up like that. Oops, did not mean to do that. What I do want to do is I want to set this to that. Boom. We can exit this out for the time being. So a little bit. Boom. All right, so we got that up and running. Let's go ahead. Come through. Go ahead and get some more of these shares in. Boom. All right, cool. Got that up and running. I'm up on my main. So yesterday after the stream, I went ahead and got started on the Laravel Cashier integration. So basically all I did was I added the Laravel Cashier dependency, and then in my model I added the billable trait. Nothing. Oh, well, don't take that back. In the auth controller, when we register a new user, I create as a Stripe customer by default, and that's because I want them to be able to like use it on the front page without signing up at all, but it's obviously limited features. If they do sign up, they get some more features, but if they pay the premium, they get all the features. And I'm about to go over what those features are and all that here in a moment. So over here, doing my sharing, copy my link, go ahead here in the Discord, put it in here. All right. Boom, boom. Hey, everyone. I'm live right now doing some coding. Come hang. Alright. I really need to get some more mods. If anybody interested in being a mod on my Discord and on YouTube, I greatly appreciate it. We're on the road to 10K, trying to get these 10K followers. So about 71 of my viewers are not subscribed. So please, if you are watching this and you are not subscribed, give a brother a follow and hit the notification bell. All right, cool. So here we create as the customer. Really simple. And I ran the migration. So we got this up. Let's go ahead and go back to the app real quick. And it's simple file share.test. Oops, I forgot to run it. All right, so we're going to do the vendor bin sale npm run dev to start the development server. And I'm just going to open up a new tab, let that do its thing. There we go. So I changed it so they're basically on the front page. You can do the drag and drop, the same functionality that we did yesterday, but I moved it on the front page, and then we have the login and the register. So what I'm gonna do, I don't think that I went ahead and put in my Stripe. Yeah, no. So I need to put in my test Stripe credentials. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those real quick. And then of course, while that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the stream on pause because I don't want to show my credentials. You know how it goes. So we're gonna go to stream pause. All right. All right, we're back. All right, so I just had to, grab those credentials real quick. All right, save those in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and flush my database. So, sale, artisan, migrate, refresh. Oh, I can't remember. Did I? Yeah, I had it. I added a URL shortener to this as well too. So, to make it 6 characters instead of long URLs. So I'm gonna show that in a second as well. All right, cool. So now we have a fresh database. So I'm gonna go in and go to register here. Go ahead and register. Confirm. And now we're in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Stripe and go into my dashboard. I still should be in test mode. No, go ahead and do that. So we're in test mode. We go to customers, and boom, here is here's my customer that was just made. So now, even if they aren't immediately buying anything, I'm building up my customer funnel because I have their email address. So I can send them targeted, emails, trying to get them to to subscribe or whatever. But what I also had done was I went ahead and added Google Ads, so that when the user clicks on the link, it will redirect to a page, show some ads for 10 seconds before it downloads the file. So I'm getting monetized on both sides regardless. So while I'm in here, we're going to go over to the product catalog, and I'm going to make a new product, and this is going to be called Simple File Share Subscription. Get unlimited file size uploads, customizable expirations, and encryption. So these are going to be the features that I'm going to offer for the people who pay for premium. I'm going to uncap the file size upload. I'm going to make it so that they can customize their expirations, because by default, how I have it now is that it gives it a 1 week temporary URL. And then I have a Laravel scheduler, so that after that, it checks to see has it been a week since this URL has been made, and if it is, it deletes the link and deletes the file, and that just keeps my storage clean and keeps the database clean as well. Because I'm trying to have as little knowledge about the files as possible. I want everything to I want the app to just kind of be smooth running and out. And so but if you subscribe to the premium, you can change it to being 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 year, all the way to any indiscriminate time stamp that you want to do. And then lastly, offer encryption. So you can put in the passkey, and it'll encrypt the file and send it out. And I'm actually going to I'm debating. I think I'm going to do the encryption on the front end using web crypto, but I don't know yet. Actually, yeah, I think I will. I think I'll make that a front end solution. So, if you do the encryption, we'll use web crypto. It'll zip the file, encrypt it, and send it that way. So then the back end, once again, it has it just stores a file and sends it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this a reoccurring. We're going to make it $10 a year. And it's low maintenance, and I figure that's a good price point. I think a lot of people would pay $10 a year for these features. I'll go ahead and add the product, and let's see. All right, so go ahead and add the product. Amber, I see you with the 111. All right, so we got this default price. We're going to copy this price ID. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So what I'm going to do here in the settings, I think I'm going to add something here in the settings. but I need to publish. Do I need to publish? Let me see. Did they give us everything that needs to be done? I need to add my Stripe price ID. All right, Stripe price ID equals boom. Save that. Go ahead and add this Stripe. All right, so got this here. Let's save that. Price ID commit. All right. So then what we want to do is let's go to JS. We're going to go to components. We're going to go to the UI. Where's the settings? User menu. Okay, settings. Okay, that's something that I have to. Okay, it looks like set up maybe settings, layout, profile, picture. Okay, cool. So we're gonna add down here. Should I call this billing or should I call this premium? I'm gonna call it premium. All right, it's gonna be settings / premium. Okay. And this was settings, premium, pages, settings. Copy, paste, rename this one premium. All right, we'll call this premium. 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 And premium. Alright, description, update. Premium settings. Alright. So let's see what this looks like. Boom, boom. So then here we got premium. Of course. Alright, so that tells me I gotta go over here to the routes and go to the web. Settings. Copy. Premium. Premium. And premium. Alright, update your account's premium settings. So I'm gonna do two things here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the link to go to the billing portal. So that is, we'll go to Laravel Cashier. All right, and go to the billing portal. So boom. So boom. User redirect portal. Boom, boom, boom. And then put this here. But instead of going back to the dashboard, I want to go back to premium. And what am I missing? All right, cool. So when they go to the /billing, it'll redirect them to the billing portal. And then here, we're gonna go back over to premium. Appearance tabs. I'll move all this later. Okay, got that. Billing, billing portal. All right, let's see what that looked like. So if we click billing portal, billings. Oh, I didn't want that to be. No. Yeah, no, I didn't want that to be here. I want that to be in the web. This needs to go here. All right, cool. So now that I should be able to go back, boom, boom, refresh, billing portal. Why is it trying to look for settings? Let me see something real quick. All right, let's go to card header. All right, well, let's see. Let's do it's just /billing. All right. Cool. All right, so we got that. Now we want to create a subscription. All right, cool. So we're gonna do some copy. Without payment up front. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add we're gonna give them 3 days. So we're gonna give them 3 days of free access. We're gonna do this. So we're gonna give them 3 days as a free trial. So I don't have to start the subscription up front. And then what we're also gonna do is user subscribe. That's going to be EV Stripe price ID. We set that up. All right, cool. So now we're here. Now we're gonna open up GitHub. I'm gonna add the code base. Open editors. Can't see nothing. Need the premium page to control the Stripe Cashier subscriptions. Allow them to go to the billing portal and allow them to subscribe if they are not. this over. Okay, cool. So went ahead and made subscription status. All right, cool. All right. So let's see what it cooked up. Whew. All right, cool. Got that there. Let's go back here. All right, you are not subscribed to the premium plan. All right, subscribe. What's happening here? Bad request. Unauthenticated, you say? Thank you. All right, so I'm saying I'm authenticated. So let's. It says unauthenticated. Please use the correct Laravel starter kit view syntax for HTTP requests. There we go. I love Copilot. Settings, premium. What's happening? to found. Okay. Okay, so redirecting. You know, I'm gonna have to come back later. This is it's bothering me. And I got other stuff I have to do, so I apologize. I'm gonna be back on later.